In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export contacts from Brevo. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Brevo like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go down to contacts inside of the menu. From here, you will need to find all of those specific contacts that you want to export. And you can choose all by clicking right here. Or if you want to export a couple of them, you can click right here. Then from here, you'll need to go over to more actions and go down to export. Then from here, you'll see this page right here. And here you can add what attributes that needs to be inside of this exportation, like contact ID, last name, first name, SMS, and many, many more. Down here, you can also change system data like the list ID, and you can select the subscription, either marketing emails or marketing SMS. Down here, you can also separate them with either semicolon or a comma, and you can send them by email or remember my preferences for next time. Then from here, you just need to click Start Export, and then you can see exporting to contacts. That could take a few minutes, and you'll get a notifications to download the exportation. And here you can see download the file, and up here you'll see the actual CSV file. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!